Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, mister.
Good morning, mister.
Excellent. Is everybody here? Yes, no?
No.
No, who's missing? Javilet is missing. I'm just kidding.
The twins.
Ah, yes. Rosario asked permission, but not Magda. Yes.
Lo mismo.
Hello, no, not the same. All right, guys.
La Alexa que tiene.
You guys make me laugh. Juan Pablo is coming. Yes. Okay, guys. Let me see what I'm gonna do with you today. Okay, guys. This is another lesson. You know, the virus that is going on right now, it affects our immune system, right? Yes, immune system. Hey, I'm here. Share the story. I'm not gonna laugh too. Share it. Yes. Mylene, what do you know about the immune system?
The what?
The immune system. Our system has a defense system that is called the immune system.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Daniela, what can you tell us about our immune system? The one that you know, that is
El INMUNE.
packed right now. Yes.
That I don't know that. What does it do? Like protect? I don't know.
Do you know how it works, Daniela?
I guess.
Yes. Okay. How?
I don't know.
It's hard to explain, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
The immune system protect us for all the virus.
The virus, bacteria, and anything that is, they can cause.
Toxic.
They can cause an
For defenses.
I'm sorry, Gustavo?
These are defenses. Defense, I don't know.
Yes, not the defenses. Yes, those are the defenses of our body. Yes, yes. Nuya, Nuya, when was the last time, Nuya, that you got a flu? Like a flu, like a running nose, sore throat?
I
You
I
don't
don't
know?
know.
Yes. What about you, Hans? When was the last time you got sick of a flu?
For what?
Of a flu, like running nose, like, and getting sick of the cold, flu. When was the last time? 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 5 months ago?
I don't know, mister. It's depending on.
Right? Listen. Your immune system is active, okay? It's active like 100% all the time. But the only thing is that we need sometimes, I'm not telling you to do it, okay? But sometimes we need to get dirty, to go outside and play with the dirt, you know? When then, as soon as you touch these little bacteria or germs that are on the surfaces, your immune system gets active, like really alert, you know? And that's how the immune system works. Yes. All right. We're gonna see. I'm gonna show you a video to teach you how this works. Okay.
A mosquito lands on your arm, injects its chemicals into your skin, and begins to feed. You wouldn't even know it was there if not for the red lump that appears, accompanied by a telltale itch. It's a nuisance, but that bump is an important signal that you're protected by your immune system, your body's major safeguard against infection, illness, and disease. This system is a vast network of cells, tissues, and organs that coordinate your body's defenses against any threats to your health. Without it, you'd be exposed to billions of bacteria, viruses, and toxins that could make something as minor as a paper cut or a seasonal cold fatal. The immune system relies on millions of defensive white blood cells, also known as leukocytes, that originate in our bone marrow. These cells migrate into the bloodstream and the lymphatic system, a network of vessels which helps clear bodily toxins and waste. Our bodies are teeming with leukocytes. There are between 4,000 and 11,000 in every microliter of blood. As they move around, leukocytes work like security personnel, constantly screening the blood, tissues, and organs for suspicious signs. This system mainly relies on cues called antigens. These molecular traces on the surface of pathogens and other foreign substances betray the presence of invaders. As soon as the leukocytes detect them, it takes only minutes for the body's protective immune response to kick in. Threats to our bodies are hugely variable, so the immune response has to be equally adaptable. That means relying on many different types of leukocytes to tackle threats in different ways. Despite this diversity, we classify leukocytes in two main cellular groups, which coordinate a two-pronged attack. First, phagocytes trigger the immune response by sending macrophages and dendritic cells into the blood. As these circulate, they destroy any foreign cells they encounter.
Interesting, huh? How it destroys the other bad.
Simply by consuming them. That allows phagocytes to identify the antigen on the invaders they just ingested and transmit this information to the second major cell group orchestrating the defense, the lymphocytes. A group of lymphocyte cells called T cells go in search of infected body cells and swiftly kill them off. Meanwhile, B cells and helper T cells use the information gathered from the unique antigens to start producing special proteins called antibodies. This is the pièce de résistance. Each antigen has a unique matching antibody.
I'm gonna make a little pause over here. This is the antibodies. Did you see what the antibodies are? See, when you're little, from the age 0 to the age of 7, you get a vaccine, correct? You get a vaccine. You know what vaccine is? Vacunas, yes?
Yes.
Okay, you get a vaccine. Yes, those are also the antibodies. What, do you have any idea what, wait, Juan Pablo is coming again. Juan Pablo was already in. Yes, do you have any idea what this vaccine contain?
Antibodies?
I don't push it.
Yes, antibodies, yes. And then
Well, they have the virus, but
yes, Abner.
the vaccine has the virus, or it comes with.
Yes, it has the same virus, right? The same bacteria, the same whatever it is. This vaccine is going to help you about. Once a virus or bacteria is in your body, once and it dies in your body, that means you are going to be protected for the rest of your life. Okay, that's how it works. Nowadays, last night actually, I was reading about this. They're trying they're inventing in China, of course, they're inventing a vaccine for this virus that is going on right now, the COVID, right, 19. It's, but they are looking for affected people. And then they're looking for they're looking for people that are they're immune to that process, immune to that virus. It's like, for example, myelin could be around a lot of people right now, but if myelin is immune to that virus is not going to get into her body, correct? So they're doing studies for that. So they're gonna get the blood of the infected person and the blood of the immune person to get a vaccine. As soon as they got that, they're gonna create a vaccine. a vaccine for this virus. That's what I heard, or that's what I read last night, okay? See, the antibodies, just sometimes we need that in our bodies in order for you not to be sick. Yes, good. Did you understand that? Yes?
Yes, Mr.
All right, good.
Body that can latch onto it like a lock and key and destroy the invading cells. B cells can produce millions of these, which then cycle through the body and attack the invaders until the worst of the threat is neutralized. While all of this is going on, familiar symptoms like high temperatures and swelling are actually processes designed to aid the immune response. A warmer body makes it harder for bacteria and viruses to reproduce and spread because their temperature sensitive.
Okay, now, are you understanding? This is very important. This is very important. You see, the high temperature in your body, when you have an infection and then you got fever, have you noticed? You got an infection, says, oh, I got fever, right? That means that your system, your immune system is producing that fever, so the body warms up. It's hot actually, and these cells right here, they can't reproduce in a warm body when it's hot. It's very interesting. I hope you really are understanding this. So the actually the fevers are caused by the immune system. In order to protect the body, protect you from the
Sensitive. And when body cells are damaged, they release chemicals that make fluid leak into the surrounding tissues, causing swelling. That also attracts phagocytes, which consume the invaders and the damaged cells. Usually, an immune response will eradicate a threat within a few days. It won't always stop you from getting ill, but that's not its purpose. Its actual job is to stop a threat from escalating to dangerous levels inside your body. And through constant surveillance over time, the immune system provides another benefit. It helps us develop long-term immunity. When B and T cells identify antigens, they can use that information to recognize invaders in the future. So when a threat revisits, the cells can swiftly deploy the right antibodies to tackle it before it affects any more cells. That's how you can develop immunity to certain diseases, like chickenpox. It doesn't always work so well. Some people have autoimmune diseases, which trick the immune system into attacking the body's own perfectly healthy cells. No one knows exactly what causes them, but these disorders sabotage the immune system to varying degrees and underlie problems like arthritis, type 1 diabetes, and multiple sclerosis. For most individuals, however, a healthy immune system will successfully fight off an estimated 300 colds and innumerable other potential infections over the course of a lifetime. Without it, those threats would escalate into something far more dangerous. So the next time you catch a cold or scratch a mosquito bite, think of the immune system. We owe it our lives.
Interesting, huh? Yes, every time fever out of one infection, especially when you got a sore throat or a little virus that is going to your body, and then we get fever and then we get scared, no? It says, oh, wait a minute, man, I got fever. So let's go to the hospital. Actually, that fever is being caused by the immune system, okay? So in order, it's what it's doing is just heating up your body, so that virus or bacteria that is in your body can't reproduce. So it's like there only once. So it's good to know. All right. Now, wait a minute. Where is it? Now here's the story right here. There's a paragraph for each of you. Okay, the immune system. The human body often takes care of itself without the person who owns the body knows what is happening. The body takes care of itself through its immune system. The immune system is in charge of keeping the body safe from invading germs that try to attack it every day. The immune system involves the different organs of the body and works together with the blood system. Nicole, can you Can you please read this paragraph, the first one?
The human body often takes care of itself without the person who owns the body knows what is happening. The body takes care of itself through its immune system. The immune system is in charge of keeping the body safe from invading germs that try to attack it every day. The immune system involves the different organs of the body and works together with the blood system.
Yes, over here, there's a period right here. This is what I'm trying to get over here. Can you read this section from here, Nicole, until here?
The human body often takes care of itself without the person who owns the body knows what is happening. The body takes care of itself through its immune system.
There we go. Yes, the pause right here. It's like cut it off. If it's a comma, it's like continuing. Yes. The immune system defends the body against attacks by germs and bacteria. The system includes the skin, white blood cells, and the lymph system. The immune system works like a fort, protecting the body and will increase its defenses when it is necessary. Yes. Hans, can you read this for me, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
The immune system defends the body against attacks by germs and bacteria. The systems include the skin with the blood cells and the lymph system. The immune system works like a front protecting the body and will increasing, okay. Increasing its defenses when it's necessary. When it is necessary.
When it is necessary. Yes. You know what? The white blood cells are in charge of, it says right here, are the watchers of the blood. See, we need to have these white blood cells in a good level. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Hans. Yes. The skin is the first. The skin is the first defense against germs entering the body, and it covers like a guard against harmful bacteria. Keeping the body clean is quite important since it is the first place the germs attack. Doctors, nurses, and other health professionals take great care in washing their hands because they know the germs can easily spread through contact with the skin. Nubia, can you read this?
The skin is the first defense against germs entering the body, and it covers like a wall against harmful bacteria. Keeping the body clean is quite important since it is the first place the germs attack. Doctors, nurses, and other health professionals take great care in washing their hands because they know the germs can easily spread through contact with the skin.
Yes, contact with the guard right here, okay, Nubia? Like a guard.
Like a guard.
Yes, like a guard, yes. Like when you said security guard, yes, something. Thank you. The white blood cells are the watchers of the blood. There are 3 types of white blood cells called lymphocytes, neutrophils, and macrophages. Each have their own roles. White blood cells are made constantly since they live for a few weeks. Other types of white blood cells attack germs and bacteria when they are detected in the body. A tiny drop of blood contains up to 25,000 white blood cells. Wow, just one little drop, it contains 25,000 cells. It's interesting, huh? Yes. Where is it? Abner, can you read that, please, for me? Abner.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
The same, the
The white
the same.
blood cells?
The white blood cells are the watchers of the blood. There are three types of white blood cells called lymphocytes. How can I say that? Lymphocytes.
Yes, over here. Yes, lymphocytes,
Lymphocytes.
neutrophils,
Neutrophils and macrophages.
microphages, phages.
Phages.
Yes.
Each have their own roles. White blood cells are made constantly since they live for a few weeks. Other types of white blood cells attack germs and bacteria when they are detected in the body. A tiny drop of blood contains up to 25,000 white blood cells.
Yes. Let me see how much you have. Okay, yes. The lymphocytes are most vital because they attack two kinds of infections, viral and bacteria. T cells and B cells are two types of lymphocytes. T cells find hidden germs or unhealthy cells and destroy them. The B cells produce antibodies and are used for specific germs. It will attach itself to the germ, and then other white blood cells know it needs to be destroyed. Germs and then other white blood cells know it needs to be destroyed. Mylene, can you please read this paragraph?
The lymphocytes are most vital because they attack two kinds of infections, viral and bacterial. T cells and B cells are two types of lymphocytes. T cells find hidden germs or unhealthy cells and destroy them. The B cells produce antibodies and are used for specific germs. It will attach itself to the germ, and then other white blood cells know it needs to be destroyed.
Very nice. The lymphocytes are part of the lymph system. The lymph fluid travels to different parts of the body where it will pick up bacteria and viruses. It carries them to lymph nodes, which are glands that collect and destroy it before it travels to the rest of the body. Gustavo, excuse me, guys. I gotta drink water. Yes, Gustavo, can you read this?
Mr. Gustavo se salió porque se le fue la luz, dijo.
Ah, es cierto. No light. That's okay. He was here. Yes. Is Alan here? Alan? No, Alan's not here, huh? I didn't see Alan today. Yes. Alan, yes, there he is. Alan.
See?
Were you sleeping? Nah. Okay, can you read this paragraph, please? The lymphocytes are part of the lymph system. Lymph system.
The lymph. How do you say this word? Lymphocyte.
Lymphocytes are of the lymph system.
The lymphocytes are the part of lymph system. Lymph fluid travels to different parts of the body where it will pick up bacteria and viruses. It carries then the lymph nodes, which are glands that collect and destroy it before it travels to the rest of the body.
Yes. Much time? Okay, I don't think we're gonna have time to finish this today. Okay, some germs so actually help make the immune system stronger. The body remembers the bad germs that attack it, and then is ready for it. If it comes back to cause problems again, it is important for the body to be exposed to some germs because the immune system can then fight off the germs when they come back. This is how a vaccine works. A weak virus is actually injected into the body for the immune system to fight against. So remember, it's good to play with dirt, okay? To get some germs on your hand, you know, once in a while. And that way your immune system gets alert and it's continue working. It's like it's alert now. But if you don't, if you wash your hands like every day, you don't play with dirt, your house is very clean, and you don't do anything like really to get a bacteria or anything, your immune system is going to go down and it's going to be sleeping. It's not going to be really active. Okay, in order for you to have this, your immune system working properly, you need to sleep your 8 hours at least, okay? If you're sleeping 5 hours at night, you are not, your immune system, it's not going to work properly, okay? It's not gonna function properly. Just, okay. Here, Daniela, can you read this paragraph? Yes, Daniela?
Some germs, though, actually help make the immune system stronger. The body remembers the bad germs that attack it, and then it's ready for it. It comes back to cause problems again. It is important for the body to be exposed to some germs because the immune system can then fight off the germs when they come back. This is how a vaccine works. A weak virus is actually injected into the body for the immune system to fight against.
Good. Yes. I'll read that already. Yes. Juan Pablo already read. No. Juan Pablo, can you read this? Allergies are the result of the immune system attacking too often.
Allergies are the results.
Louder.
Of the
Can you read louder, please?
System tracking too often.
Juan Pablo, you have a problem with your microphone.
Hola, disculpe.
Okay, Juan Pablo. No, Juan Pablo, not clearly. Christopher, can you read this?
Hola, ¿me escucha, profe?
Allergies are the result.
Wait, Juan Pablo, stop for a moment. Yes, Juan Pablo.
Okay.
Christopher.
No me escucha.
Allergies are the result of the immune system attacking too often. The system falsely believes the food products or other items is a bacteria or virus, so it begins to attack, which cause symptoms such as sneezing, itching, running nose, sore throat, hips, and stomach cramps.
Yes, all these are symptoms of a virus or bacteria. Okay, sneezing, itching, runny nose, sore throat, eye and stomach. All these are here. Anything that is coming from here to your stomach. Okay, depending on what you eat. Yes, thank you. I'm looking for Alexa. Read the other paragraph, please. Sometimes the immune system attacks healthy cells too.
Sometimes the immune system attacks healthy cells too. When this happens, the person will have an autoimmune disease. The body believes in oneself are unhealthy. If someone has this disease, it can have various problems and must be controlled by medication.
Excellent. Finally, Jamilet. Finally, reducing stress and getting enough sleep are two ways in keeping the immune system healthy.
Finally, reduce stress and getting enough sleep are the two ways I keeping the immune system healthy. The immune system with baking the bread dough. If the body gets less fight, yours for sleep and stress also slow down the immune system.
Very nice. In summary, the immune system is important for keeping the body healthy and strong. Don't forget that, okay? Very, very quick, okay? The immune system includes all of the following except bones, skin, lymph system, or white blood cells.
Bones.
Bones. Excellent, okay. Number 2, the first defense against germs entering the body is which of the following? The first defense against germs entering the body is?
Skin.
White blood cells.
White blood cells. What else? Miley, Alan?
Self.
White blood cells.
White blood cells? Okay, the first defense against germs that entering the body. Which one is the first defense? White blood cells, the skin, bones, or lymph system?
A.
Blood cells.
White blood cells.
Yes, okay. Okay, you said it, okay? The most vital part of the white blood cell is, lymph nodes, neutrophils, macrophages, or lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes.
Okay, I'm gonna go over the lymphocytes. Very good. Okay, which of the following is the result of the immune system attacking too often? Autoimmune system disease, germs, allergies, all of the above.
A. Autoimmune disease.
Yes, Juan Pablo?
The A.
The A. Yes? Alexa? Yesenia? Daniela? Give us how they didn't read. How they didn't read it? Come on. I feel bad when somebody doesn't read. Yes. Which one? A, B, C, or D?
All of the above.
All of the above. Okay, let's hear it with this. Yes, Harry, can you read this question, please? And this question, since you didn't read. Yeah.
Which of the following are two kinds of lymphocyte systems?
Lymphocytes, yes. Which of the following are two kinds of lymphocytes? A cells and D cells. B cells to T cells, A to T, or D to B?
A cells and T cells.
Which is A, B, C, or D?
C.
C.
C, okay, A to T, all right? A cells and T cells. A cells and C. Okay, good. Heidi, read this question, please.
Which of the following is helpful in strengthening in the immune system?
Yes, strengthening. That means make it stronger. Yes, getting enough sleep, avoiding stress, both A and B, or neither A or B. Which one is the answer?
C.
Listen, getting enough sleep is one, avoiding stress is two. Now, both A and B, is this two, or neither A or B?
C. Both.
See?
Both.
C.
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 This.
Both.
Both. Okay, got it. Got it. Mr. JP. Okay.
Ahorita todas malas.
Okay, you have a problem with your microphone, buddy?
Yes.
Yes. Answer. Yes.
¡Me escucha!
¿Ah?
¡Me escucha!
Sí, Jupa.
Apenitas, but it's okay. Yes. Blood cells. What's the answer for this? The first defense, yes. And then correct answer was to be. Skin was the first. And then we have this one. Correct answer. This one, all of the above. Yes, which of the following is a result? Is a result of the immune system? Correct answer, C. A, B, C, allergies. Let's get the allergies. This one,
Ay, Dios, la B.
cells, T cells. Yes, and the last one, yes, Juan Pablo answered, oh, okay. Beautiful. All right, guys. For me, that's it for today. I'll see you Monday. Please be safe. Remember, we need to stay in the house and wash your hands. All right, and be healthy.
Mister, el lunes tenemos clase con usted.
When, Monday?
¿Ya?
Yes, pero ¿por qué no?
Que no tenemos supuestamente.
Mister,
No hay clases. A ver, explíqueme eso, por favor.
Mire, ve, es que
como son exámenes, no iban a haber clases.
para exámenes no iban a haber clases, pero yo creo que hoy van a explicar en reunión de padres o algo así.